A warm welcome you all in science class. I hope you all are fine and safe. So dear students, today we are going to see the method of separation, and in today's class we will discuss sublimation process. So let's see here. First of all, we are going to see what is the meaning of sublimation and why we are studying this one in this second chapter also. So the sublimation is the method to use to separate a mixture of a sublimal compound or components from a non-sublimable components by heating the mixture. In simple words, we can say like this: sublimation is the process by which we will separate the two different types of solid by this method. Now, sublimation is also the process by which a solid can change its state from solid to the vapor state without reaching into the liquid state. Now you can see here in the diagram, there is a apparatus setup here. Ammonium chloride and common salt has kept in a petri dish, in a china dish, and in that china dish containing the mixture of ammonium chloride and salt, and we have set up these like such a way as it is showing in the picture, and we will do the activity which is based upon sublimation. So if a mixture of a ammonium chloride and a common salt is heated, the ammonium chloride sublimes, means the ammonium chloride will change into the vapor from the solid state, and it will settle down near the inverted funnel, and common salt will be left behind in the china dish. So you can see here, by this process we can separate the ammonium chloride from the salt. So this is a type of a sublimation, and with the help of the sublimation process, ammonium chloride is separated out from the mixture of ammonium chloride and salt. So I hope this diagram is clear to you, this process you have understood. If you will have any doubt, any question, you can ask me in the online class. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.